If you are still interested in getting access to Grok for free, then you are in the right place. This video was specifically made for you. If you've been watching my videos on this channel, you come across videos that I've talked about how to get Grok for free and its alternatives. You can check out this playlist right here, so you can watch the videos and start using those platforms for free today. I'll also drop the link in the description. You can access them after watching this particular tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you a particular platform where you can access Grok for free. Not just Grok, you can access Veo 3, Nano Banana Pro, Google Imagen, all for free. So ensure you watch the video to the end so you don't miss any tip I will share along the way. Before we dive in, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel. I'm a brand strategist for busy business owners. I help them grow their brand online while they focus on what they know how to do best, running their business. And on this channel, I share tips on content, positioning, strategy, and AI. And if you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel right away. So right now, let's dive in. So this is the platform we'll be using, GenV. You can access it on your Play Store or your App Store. So if you're an Android user, you can access it through the Google Play Store. So if you're an iPhone user, you can use it via the App Store. So right now, I'm just going to click on this, take us to the Google Play Store. Alright, so this is it, GenV AI video generator. As you can see, I already have mine on my phone. I just have to click on open. So yours will show install when you search for it or when you click on the link. Okay, so you can even go directly to Google Play and just type in GenV, or you go to your App Store and just type in GenV. So just take note of the icon, look at it. This is how the app looks like. So just click on install, and I'm going to open my application and show you how you can use it on your device. So I've opened my application. This is the interface I am seeing right now. So when you come in, when you install the app, you open it and you register, create an account with it. All right, then this is the interface that you see. As you can see here, you have video generation and image generation. So before we move any further, let me tell you something about this platform. Now this platform, you need to watch ads. Okay, so when ads pop up like this, you have to watch it. You can generate your videos for free here, although they still have plans that you can upgrade to, but you need video to watch ads to generate your videos for free. So now, without wasting much time, let me show you how you can use this platform. So as you can see here, we have video generation and image generation. The video generation is currently highlighted. That's why you can see this interface. So this is image generation. This is what you can see here, right? So right now, I want to create my image first because I want to use my image to create a video, right? So I'll create my image using this platform. So as you can see here, you have Nano Banana 2. Okay, so you can click here now. You see Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and Imagen 4. All right, so these are models you can use to create your images on this platform. So if you look at the other parts, we have output formats, we have PNG, and we have JPEG. Okay, whichever one you are comfortable with, you can use them for free here. Then we have aspect ratios. We have lots of aspect ratios here. All right, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use 16:9. Now you have resolution. We have 1K, 2K, and 4K. As you can look at this one now, the 2K and the 4K, they are not free. Okay, this is where upgrading comes in. Right, the only one that is free here is just the 1K, and you can just leave it on 1K to create your video. So this is just all you need to select, and any model that works for you, you are good to go. Okay, I'm just going to close this place right now. I'm going to paste my prompt. Describe the content you want to create. This is where you are going to paste your prompt. So I pasted my prompt here already. All right, so I'm going to click on create. Now before we click on that create, look at this place where we have 798 okay /1000. Shows that they have word limits, that the word counts okay is 1000. So if your prompt is actually longer than 1000, it will actually cut off. All right, so the prompt you are going to be placing here, it has to be lower than 1000. All right, so that you can actually get your image correctly. All right, so right now I'm going to click on send to create ad. If you see create /ad, it means you need to watch ads to create your video. So I'm going to click on it right now to start generating my image. So right now the ads are playing. If you look up, you see ads 2 of 3. So you have to wait for like 3 ads to play before you get access to your video. Okay, this is third one again. This third one, and you just have to watch them. So when you are done watching the ads, this is what you see. This place where you see this X symbol, just click on it. Okay, to bring it back to this interface. So it's counting. Your image is being generated. The system is operating at full capacity. Right now, our image is ready. It has generated our image for us. Okay, So if you don't like it, you can click on remake to create another image for you. Okay, then you can copy your prompts. You can also download it as well. So now if you want to download, just click on this download option here. Just click on it, and you requested to watch an ad. So you click on watch ads so you can save your image. So our image has been downloaded already. Okay, it has brought us to this interface. So right now we're going to proceed to generating our video. So I'm going to click on this place here. We have Grok. If I click here, we also have View 3 Fast, View 3 Light, and View 3 3.1. Okay, they're just different models that you can use. So I'm going to close this place. I'm going to leave it on Grok because Grok just brought us here. I'm going to leave it on Grok. I'm going to close it right now. So you see duration 6 seconds. 6 seconds is free. If you click on 10 seconds, it requires you to upgrade. Okay, so we have aspect ratio 9:16, 16:9, and 1:1. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on 16:9. Okay, the resolution, you have 480p, we have 720p. I'm going to leave it at 720p. It's free. Okay, so the only paid thing here now is the 10 seconds. So every other thing is free here. So I'm going to click cancel this place. Just click on this X and we are back to this place. So everything that we have partially selected has been put out here for us. So I'm going to paste our prompts here. So describe the content you want to create. Now this particular place where you have these image symbols here is where you can upload your image. Okay, if you don't have an image, you can just post your prompt and it generates what you need. All right, but I have an image I've already generated before in this platform, which I'm going to upload by clicking on one of these places to get it. So at bottom here we have upload, we have video history. Okay, I don't have any history on this platform here, so I'm going to click on upload. So that above my gallery, I'm going to select this particular image that I've generated on this platform. So that our image has been uploaded, I'm going to paste my prompt right away. All right, so I'm pasting my prompt. Look at the word count, it's just 486. Okay, so it is still okay, below 1000. Now I'm going to click on create/ads. So I'm going to click on create right now to start generating our video. So it will bring us this particular stuff here for you to read. It says AI provider data consent. Okay, so do you agree to share this data for AI generation? If you click on cancel, you won't be able to generate your video here. All right, so agree is what will help you to generate your video. So we use a third-party AI service, Grok, to generate video based on your input. Your prompt text and any uploaded image will be transmitted to this AI provider for processing. So it's just for processing, right? So click on agree to start generating. So you wait for it. Okay, so I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to skip. I don't need a notification. Skip for now. Say video generation may take several minutes depending on the complexity of the content. I will just skip it for now. I don't need it. So I'm going to wait for it while it is counting to generate. So our video has been generated. Let's play it now to see how it went.
If you're learning something new from this, subscribe right now. I've got more powerful tutorials coming.
Wow, this is amazing. So amazing, honestly. And this is the same Grok that we are also using for free. Okay, so we're going to click on download to our device. Just click on download now. I'm going to watch ads as usual, so just click on watch ads to download it to your device. So our video has been downloaded to our device, as you can see. So we just generated our video absolutely free on this platform. Okay, I'm going to click here. So let's generate another video. I'm going to paste another prompt here. So for this video, I'm going to generate another image on this platform. So I'm going to collect Google Imagen instead of Nano Banana. So I'm going to leave it on 16:9 PNG and close this. So I just paste my prompt here, generate it and send to watch ads. So I click on agree. So we are done generating our image. I'm going to upload it here by clicking on this place here to upload my image I've generated. So I've uploaded our image here. Now I'm going to leave every other thing like this. I mean, I won't try other mode. I'll just try only if I'm going to use view 3, it will be 8 seconds. That's just the sweet thing here. If I'm to use view 3, 8 seconds instead of the 6 seconds that Grok will give to us. Okay, so let me just click on Grok and I want to click on 720p and leave it like that, what we had before, 16 and this. So this is what we have. I'm going to paste my prompt here. So I pasted my prompt here. The word count is 348. That's 348. So it's still less than 1000. We're good to go. Click on create ad. So our video is generating. We just have to wait for it to generate and we'll try view 3. Yes, we'll try and see view 3 because it's 8 seconds. Let's see what view 3 will also give us with this same prompt I'm using right now. This is our video that I've generated. Let's play it and see.
And don't stop here. Make sure you check out my next video. I'm sharing more ways to grow and create content for free. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.
Wow, this is amazing. All on this platform for free. So I'm going to click on download to download our device. You are going to watch us to do this. So I've been downloaded to our device. So I'm going to go back and use view 3 and with this same prompt, and let's see how it goes. So I'm going to click on this place here. Select view 3. So I'm going to leave every other thing. Well, this is full HD and it's even free here. 8 seconds. I'm going to use 16:9 and I'm going to click on this place. So I'm going to paste that same prompt here. Okay, I just made a little tweak on the prompt, that's the dialog part. So I'm going to click on create right now. Oh, they stopped us from creating. They say we are using the pro version. Okay, so I'm going to click on this place. I'm going to go back and click on another view 3 and see. Let's click on 720 and see. Create stick pro. Okay, let's see. So I guess it's not free here. Let's use fast instead. Let's go back, create. All right, so I think the one that is not free here is this the 3.1 is not free. So let me go back, create. Okay, 3.1 is not free, so fast is free. Let me see lights, create. Okay, light is free as well. Okay, so you know that Grok is free here. 3.1 fast is free. View 3.1 light is free, but View 3.1 is not free. Right, so I'm going to click on fast. I'm going to click on this 1080p and let's see if that is going to work. All right, it's going to work. Let me click on agree. Okay, so our video has been generated. So our video is currently generating. So let me quickly show you how you can actually access your images or videos that you've generated. Okay, so you just click on this 3 line. Okay, then you click on this place where you have assets. So you have a video and we have image. You also have data older than 7 days will be deleted. Please download to keep it. Okay, so when you actually generate, you don't have to download immediately. It will just be here. So when you want to use it, download this, or probably when you generate it, you just download it immediately. So I actually closed that particular interface where my video was generating. That's why you see 99% generating. Okay, so if you cannot wait for that long for it to generate, not that it takes so much time, but I think this particular one is taking me taking time to generate. So I just had to close and come here to show you how you can access your video. So if anyone that is taking you time to generate, just close it. Okay, you can come and download this here when it has finished generating. So for images, the same thing. These are images that I've actually generated on this platform. You know that you can come and download them and use them. So just make sure that you know the duration. If it exceeds 7 days, you won't find them here again. And you can also delete. You can just select now. Look at the delete option. You can also delete from here if you want. Okay, so I'm going to untick that and go back. So this is how you can generate your videos on this platform. I'm going to show you the output of what we got from view 3. So I'm going to show you at the end of this video. So if you do faceless content, this platform is something you can start using all for free. You have seen how we generate our images and videos for free on this particular application. All you have to do is just watch ads and you are good to go. So if you want more to access more of their features, you can upgrade to their plans here. So that is it for this tutorial. Make sure you go download it on your Play Store, your App Store, and start using it right away. So if you want to learn how to create faceless content that are monetizable on social media platform, make sure you join my free AI community. The link is in the description. My name is Abasiofon and I care about how your brand is being perceived. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop amazing tutorials like this. And I'll see you in my next video.
And don't stop here. Make sure you check out my next video. I'm sharing more ways to grow your brand online and create AI content.
And don't stop here. Make sure you check out my next video. I'm sharing more ways to grow and create content for free. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.